Hey there folks, let me show y'all something. This is something that I found while I was recording my last video. Alright, so that is not, this right here, what you just got done watching, is not a straight wheel. It was a wheel that was out of true. There's a lot of things that can cause that, but it shouldn't be like that when you buy a brand new bicycle. My bicycle has less than, well, when it happened around that time, it had less than 150, 200 or 100 miles, something like that. It's not enough miles on there for the tension on the spokes to be loose. It shouldn't be like that, or overly tightened. So whatever happened to this wheel probably happened before I got the bike. So it's something that happened maybe at the factory when they put the wheel together, whatever. It doesn't matter right now. All I'm saying is, if your rim is like that, that means it's out of true. It's not right. I contacted Volcon. They sent me a new rim. That rim is way better than what I got. I ended up slapping that thing on, and I recorded it a long time ago. Apologies for not posting this back then when it was happening. I just wanted to take a break and didn't want to deal with it at the time. But yeah, you can all see how easy the process is. It's pretty simple. Alright, now before I end the video, I would like all of you to go over to www.dragontier.com and check out my merch. I'm wearing one of my shirts right now. Go check it out. Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you like this video, please like. That means click the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. It will help me out a whole lot. Thank you so much. You all have a good one. Peace.